What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, in today's video, I want to share with you the 10 moves that you need to master in the market, but how focusing on just one can increase your win rate, okay? Also, guys, we have earnings on today. We have earnings seasons continuing this week, I should say. And with that being said, guys, we got a few companies that are going to report that will be significant to how the stock market performs moving forward, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, to kick off these earnings, we have on Monday before open, you have Monday.com. You also have Workhorse. You guys remember them? You also have After Hours, Rumble, and you have Beam, okay? Just a couple to kick off Monday. I call those what is known as a soft touch, okay? But on Tuesday, guys, it gets a little more real. All right, you have Home Depot that is always used as a barometer for things and how the consumer is doing. Is people still spending money? Is people still upgrading their house or doing home and house projects? PaySafe is another one to pay attention to. After Hours, no real catalyst after hours, but on Wednesday before market open, you got Target. So you got Home Depot on Tuesday. On Wednesday, you got Target and you got TJ Maxx, okay? These are, again, barometers that the market likes to use. I'm not gonna say market, I'm talking about Wall Street. They like to see how the consumer is doing, because sometimes, you know, those fake CPI reports, those numbers that they fudge and kind of come up with just to keep us in flux, they like to rely on actual companies and consumer behavior to dictate some of what's going on. After hours, guys, you got Cisco, which we will be in focus for a lot of the heads on Wall Street. Then Thursday, guys, you got Alibaba, Walmart before market open. Those two will really be focused in on heavily by Wall Street and how they do. And then after hours, you have things like Ross Stores. Again, this is a week for retail. I'm talking about retail stores that will be in focus. Applied Materials is also in there as well. And then on Friday, guys, you have John Deere as well as Foot Locker, just to name some household names that you guys might be familiar with that also Wall Street likes to focus on. Okay, so again, we got another crazy week coming up, which means, guys, we got opportunity to make some money. So do me a favor, like and subscribe. Make sure you join the Discord. Link for that is in the description below. We will be going for another $1,000 day, and as often as we can, we'll be trying to do that. Okay, I want to also say major salute to those that did their thing. Check this out, guys. We had a few members in the family do their thing on today. I want to shout out V. Major salute. He says, "Good morning, coach. I tried to get in and get out with your technique today, and it made me $1,600. I say major salute to that. That's how you end the week on a high note, okay?" He shared this as well. And then I had Nate, okay? Nathaniel, I want to say major salute. He said profits on this was just one of actually 1,200. I checked in and out in 8 minutes, guys. Listen, we not in the market all day around here, guys. We get in and get out. We get busy, okay? Like I say every single week, there's nobody that's doing it like we do it around here. So if you want to level up, if you too want to get in your bag, make $1,000 tomorrow, make sure you like and subscribe first and foremost, share the video, but then hit the link in the description to make sure you join the Discord, okay? We will be getting to the money first thing tomorrow morning. Matter of fact, that leads me to this. Check this out, guys. Here's your $1,000 play right here. I had the SPY pulled up, ticker symbol SPY, sitting at 410.77. Okay, check it out. The market is going to try to set traps. We're going to take care of that. Okay, they are going to try to trick, trap, and frustrate you. We are going to crush all of that. Okay, let me show you a few things I want to bring your eyes to. Then I'm going to give you the levels for your $1,000 on tomorrow. And if you don't hit 1,000, that's okay. This should lead you to $100, $50, $250, $500. All of it depends on the amount of contracts you have when you take this information to the bank. Okay, but check this out, guys. The low on Friday was 409.50. That was one low. I just want to show you guys a couple. And then we had 409.19. Okay, so I'm going to say 409, 408. I want you guys to look at that as a level of support. That's a bottom. That's where it will least test to the downside on your first initial test. It has to break through that level before I then start calling out levels down lower than that. Okay, to the upside, let's just take a quick look at this. 413.45. We are still battling that area and still haven't been able to kind of punch through, break through, and then have follow through. That's what we look for. Touching it is not good enough. We want to make sure that we get to it, get through it, retest it, and then bounce. We haven't done that yet consistently. We got the 417, got smacked back down. 415, got smacked back down. Now we can't get above 413 consistently. Okay, check this out, guys. For the week, we were flat. Okay, that's what we call this. Okay, this is a flat week. It's like we were down 0.5%. We wasn't up a lot, we wasn't down a lot. We call this flat. So check this out. This is what we mean. We opened at 412.96 and we are sitting here at 410.77. Okay, down $2 on the overall week. But look at the chaos. Look at the ebbing and flowing. Okay, 413. Get in the habit of looking at what the previous week's highs were, so that you guys, if you are doing your DD, if you're doing any mapping out your chart work, okay, you can start placing your lines and your levels of where previous highs were and previous lows. I'm just showing you guys how the battle has been at that 413 level. Got rejected here at 413.44 and got smacked all the way back down to 410. Came back from 410 all the way to 413.25 and got smacked all the way back down to 409 and then 409. Okay, so to the upside, guys, we still got work to do at the 413 level. So when we get there, I need you to not guess, not gamble, but react. Okay, what do I love to do when I get to levels of resistance? So support is the floor, resistance is the ceiling. Okay, until it's broken through. All right, when I get to resistance, so when I hit 413, I'm already riding it up because I call these levels out. I've already done the due diligence since last week, so I'm already going to crush tomorrow. But I'm going to ride the market up to 413. I'm going to lock in my profit because I'm getting in at 410, 409. I'm taking it to 413. I'm going to sell. But then when I sell and lock in profit, guys, from there, I'm going to react. I'm going to see, man, are we still getting rejected? I'm going to look at 413.50. I'm going to look for 413.80. These are the numbers that they like in the market, okay? I'm going to see if we even test those levels at all and how we do when we test them, all right? If I see us showing weakness at those levels, I simply place a put. Okay, I buy a put, then I put my stop loss at that previous high. So say it was 413.80. My stop loss going to be around 413.80. I'm anticipating rejection at that level, and then I'm going to ride it down where? To 410, 409, or 408. Okay, I rinse and repeat that process when we hit support. And we don't break through support and go to 404, 400. Those are the other levels, but I won't let you guys worry about that right now. If I see support steps up and actually be support, I'll switch to buying calls because I like to buy low and then I ride that joker to the upside, okay? And that's how we continuously swish these buckets around here each and every day, okay? With that being said, guys, hope this was helpful. Again, please join us this particular week. Get in the Discord if you're not already. We should get busy this week. We will get to the bag. That's just how we do, all right? If that sounds good to you, all right? If you like this learning, please join us for the ride. It is a journey. It is a marathon. There will be ups, there will be downs, so be prepared, all right? Without further ado, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. So do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.